Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering the Bluebook Calculator and selecting the correct mode for your task. Once done, clear memory so old values do not contaminate results. Enter units or constants first if your calculation depends on them. This prevents unit mismatch errors. Make sure to use the dedicated function keys for percentages or exponents rather than manual workarounds, because the built-in routines maintain precision and reduce keystroke mistakes. You now perform the main sequence. Enter complex expressions using parentheses to enforce order of operations and avoid manual rearrangement. Once an intermediate result repeats, store it in a variable to recall instantly. This saves time and prevents retyping errors. Use the shift or second function key for alternate button labels like trig inverses or memory recall. If you need iterative solves, run the solver routine and feed initial guesses. The device will converge faster with reasonable starting values. You finish by checking the calculation history or printed tape to confirm every operation and catch transcription slips. Once verified, set the display precision to the desired number of decimal places so outputs match reporting requirements. Save or store final results in memory if you must reuse them in a subsequent computation. If the calculator behaves oddly, perform a soft reset first. Only do a full reset when necessary, because that clears custom modes and stored constants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.